Hey, this is Jack at TC3. Today we're going to replace a rear door panel on a 3 Series BMW 1999 to 2006. They also call that an E46 body on the 3 Series BMW, and we picked up to replace the damaged one. So we're going to change the door panel because the one we're repairing has a beige one. First, you'll need to pry up on the edge of this piece of molding, and there'll be like 4 clips holding this, but don't pull it straight up just yet. When you get close to the edge here and pull up your last clip, pull it away from the door handle because there's 2 tabs that you will break if you just yank it straight out. So there you go. Now, there's going to be 5 bolts holding this in. They are Torx head screws, T20s. There's one here and one here. 2 of these would have been under this molding piece. So we'll take your 20s and take them off. Now, there's 5 of these. 1 of them is long and 4 of them are short. The one that's long is the one that's by the door handle, and that's it. And the other one under will be the same size as all the others. It's short. It's like 1/2 inch long or something. Here, I'll show you. There you go. So the third one's going to be under this window switch, and that just kind of pries out from the side like that. This plug for this will just pull off. There's no tab holding it, so you just kind of pull it off like that, and yeah, that's that. And inside of there, underneath all that, there's your third Torx head screw, a 20 again. It'll be the same size as all the little ones. I'll use it's down in the cavity, so I'll use the magnet to pull it out. Okay, the last 2 are going to be under your armrest, and they have 2 little covers like this. What you want to do is pry them from the top side so you don't break these covers and can reuse them. So you pull them off, kind of pry them from the top like that. And I'll show you why in a second. On the underside of this, the bottom side, to the right there, you can see it has a long tab. If you pry from the bottom, you will break that, and then you won't be able to use them tabs anymore. So that's why you're prying it from the top. Anyway, 2 T20 Torx head screws in here as well. So you remove both of them, and that's all your Torx head screws. So there you go. Little magnet tool, very handy if you don't have one. I recommend it. So now just prying the door panel off as the next step. I like to do it from this corner almost regardless of brand. It seems to be the way to do it. Pop it up. Don't pull it at the top yet. Get the one near the top, but not the one at the top. And usually the corners are in there pretty tight, more so than the other ones. There we go. So I got that. Push your door lock down if you haven't done that. Now you're going to pull up the very top, and there's tabs. You're going to push it, how can I say, up and out. You still have wires attached, don't yank it away. Here's your door handle switch. You're just going to pull where the cable goes in. You're just going to pull that away from the door and just kind of wiggle it around till you get it off the cable. You see like the cable has a lug on it, and it comes off pretty easy. Pull your wire out that used to go to your window, and just pull straight out from your speaker. There's a tab for now. She's actually free. So here's your thing. You have your door handle cable, your wires that go to your electric window. This will be what's left on the door, and your speaker wire that pushes into your speaker. So that's it. Here's your door panel. That's pretty much all done, and pretty simple job. Best of luck with this. I'm not showing putting it back on because I don't have the vehicle here yet, so you would just do everything in the opposite order. Best of luck with that, and thanks for watching.